ദൃശ്യ ദബ്രോപശാലവത് നമോയ് canal. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button below so you can get more notification about my videos. And today we are going to draw the Dubai skyline using henna paste, and please watch my video till the last even though it's lengthy for all the tips. So today we are going to draw the modification of this picture, and all we need is a henna cone, some earbuds and something to scrape off, and a painting brush. And at first we are going to draw a random line around mid part of our paper. Then we have to fill all the space above that line with the henna paste. For that I'm going to place some henna paste in a corner, and using this brush I'm going to spread it away in all the directions. And if you're comfortable with earbud, you can do with that also. Since there is so much space for me to fill the henna, I'm going to use this brush for this purpose. You can also use some water to clean the brush in between so that it would be helpful. Then draw 3 lines and smudge that also with the help of our brush. And now our henna paste is almost dried, and I clean the excess paste with a small rough cloth, and so only a stain is remained in our paper. So today I am using a paper, just a rough paper, so that I can make you know how to draw in a paper. You can actually draw in a drawing sheet or a canvas if you want to make it more better. And this one is Burj Al Arab, and this is the main attraction of our video. And I hope you know about Burj Al Arab. It has a peculiar quality which makes it more different from other buildings. It has a tendency to change the color frequently. If you have visited Dubai, you will surely knowing how this is, and it's seriously a beautiful place to visit. And so we are drawing Burj Al Arab. So you may be wondering what I have said at first while starting this video. Usually I used to say hi friends, hello, welcome to my channel, and today differently I said something else. And it is that I just started studying my Russian yesterday, and now I'm a Russian student, language student, and my main motivation was Lingua Marina. You may know her, and she's a Russian but lives in San Francisco. And so yesterday I started my Russian through YouTube itself, and I have only studied 2 words, and that is Privyet and Da. And I just tried to learn that sentence, hi friends, hello, welcome to my channel, in Russia also. Please Russians, please forgive me for my wrong pronunciations, because I've just started learning your language yesterday itself. So we are almost there, completed our Burj Al Arab. We are going to shade it to highlight that. And you may be thinking that after drawing this envy we have to discard this. How can we keep this as a painting like we do with acrylic or watercolor or etc.? But don't worry, there are tips to make this painting stay forever, and you can frame this, and next time you can give this to your dear ones for their birthday or something. And this is also another kind of building which is seen in our photo I shot before about this Dubai skyline. Saying about Dubai, I have so much to say because my schooling was there, my childhood was there, and it is seriously a dream place with so much memories for me. And when I think about Dubai skyline, the beautiful picture comes into my mind when we enter from Dubai Abu Dhabi road into Dubai. This skyline appears in front of us as if it is drawn in sky, and it is a super thing to see. Awesome. You have to visit Dubai once and see this in your lifetime, for sure. And this one is Burj Al Khalifa, and even though it is the tallest building, but in our picture it seems that this building is too far away from Burj Al Arab. So it seems that it's smaller than our Burj Al Arab, and we are just shading or making the cornice below the Burj Al Arab little more darker. And if any of you is wondering what a corniche is, it's a kind of beach. And the peculiar thing about this corniche is that it doesn't have all the sandy beaches and all. The sea or the ocean just is like sandwiched in between two cities, and when we look, it's like a river flowing between two cities, but actually it is a sea. And these random lines indicate the smallest building near our corniche, and after that we will draw a little more bigger ones. So we are almost there, and now we are going to draw the little more bigger buildings. And these buildings of Dubai, seriously, they have a weird shape, and people wonder what it is. And sometimes it seemed to me that it seriously looked like so much box arranged together, or like so much pencils stick together, etc. And seriously, the shape of the Museum of Future seriously have a weird shape, and it is seriously beautiful to see. And this is how a skyline of Dubai looks like. Seriously, a wonderful city to visit. It's a dream come true. Seriously. And these small dots indicates the windows of those buildings which is seen far away, and in from the flight it seems like the city is fully lightened with small lamps when we see from above, and also from the jebels or the mountains surrounding the cities. When we look from there, it seems like the small lamps placed everywhere in the desert. And we are going to highlight the corniche little more to make it more thicker. And every building has a small line above it, and you may be wondering what is this. And it is a small, actually it's not small, it is larger, but when we look from a far off distance, it seems like small needles on the top of the buildings. It's actually a long lengthy rod like thing above the buildings, and it has small lighting at the top of that rods. It's actually meant for the planes and helicopters, etc., to know that there is buildings at that level, and it will avoid crashing them with the buildings. So we are almost there, done with the shading of our painting. And since we are drawing using a henna, so I thought I would leave something different or something related to henna design at the bottom of this painting, so that it would have a more henna touch. So we are going to draw a design at the end. So this is our design. And I have a suggestion: at least once in a life visit UAE, and it is really beautiful. And I hope you like my work, and you can save it by adding water. Thank you for subscribing, and see you in the next video, and check out my Instagram page. Bye.